Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can get up to 700 USDT for absolutely free. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So for getting free crypto and USDT, you will need to have an account on KuCoin. I will leave a link in the description where you can sign up and get some free USDT and also free crypto and also discounts on the trading fees. So once you have an account created using the link, all you have to do is you will need to click on the rewards hub over here and we'll wait for it to load. Now as you can see, I've already accumulated around 17 USDT out of 20. So 20 is the minimum limit where you can go ahead and withdraw it for free. And this ends in 29 days. So basically you still have a month or so left to get around 700 USDT. So if you go down and check, after sign up, you will receive some bonus, and for identity verification, you will also receive some bonus. So basically, you have to do a KYC where you can upload your driving license or maybe your passport copy and get yourself verified, and then you will get these cards where you can actually click and receive the free USDT. Now the third step over here is to deposit and buy crypto. So I will go ahead and deposit it because I have other tokens and coins on other exchanges. So I will simply click on deposit, which I will do it later, and then I will get a chance to earn around 110 USDT. Now there is also something called as a first trade. So basically, if you have USDT in your KuCoin account and you go ahead and simply click on trade, then you can swap your USDT to some other token and you will get reward worth 65 USDT. And then there are some pro trading tasks where you will need to complete some trading. So if we go and check the advanced tasks, so this is daily trading rewards, then this is trading bot. So they also have this trading bot over here, and they also have this ETF trading, which is electronic funds, and then there is future trading rewards. So this is how you can get up to 700 USDT for absolutely free. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.